guys, here is part 2 of my unboxing video. A lot of people commented to post part 2 of the video, so here is part 2. If you missed part 1, make sure to go check it out here or here. I never know where to point, but I'll post it on the screen so you can see where you can watch part 1 of this video. So let's get into it, y'all. If you hear a noise, it's raining very hard. And one other thing, my voice is also coming back, making its way back, so it might miss it might miss a bit. So yeah, disclaimer guys, I already opened 3 packages. I was overexcited about that. The first item we have is from Target. I did do a lot of damage on Target. Let's open package number 1. So guys, it's this. I ordered a fuzzy blanket in beige so I can match the theme I'm going for with my fall decorations. So, oh, it's so soft. Look at this, guys. Look. What? I have another box from Target as well, but I think I might leave that a little bit till the end because that box is bigger than the few packages I have here. Sorry if you see lint on my lips, it's from my blanket. What is another package number 2. What is this? Oh guys, it's a wallet I ordered for my mom. Guys, if you see my mom's wallet, you will scream. I told her, Mom, let me buy you another wallet because the one here is very raggedy. I'll show you a picture right here. I can't see my mom walking like that, so I bought her this. It's a gas wallet. She will appreciate it very much, I hope. This one is also from Target. Oh, it's my acorn pillow, fall related. It's so cute. Let me open this. It's so cute, but it's not comfortable to sleep on. So an acorn pillow for my bed. Guys, the fall decoration video is going to be popping, y'all. Y'all saw what I did last December, right? Oh, for my bed, I ordered a bed set. White, of course. It's jersey material, and it's on the best-selling list from Amazon. I'm not gonna fully remove it, but it's comfortable. So I ordered a 3-row styling comb. From the video I saw, this comb better give me the popping curls, okay? Because the stylist used this 3-way comb, so I'm excited to use this. Let me show y'all. But this is the product. It has 3 rows, so I think the curls will separate nicely and make your curls pop. Let's open this one. Oh, this is my small pampas for decoration purpose. Oh, I get how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I also got the tall ones. My lovely auntie gave me ones because where I live, they grow in the wild. You can just go in the bushes and cut one. You don't have to go to Amazon to specifically buy the pampas leaf or tree or something. I went ahead and bought these small ones. This is beautiful. This is so nice. I already have a glass bottle I'm going to put it in. That would be so nice. This is what a single one looks like, and this is what they all look like together, and they're so nice, y'all. Is there something on my lip? I feel like there's something on my lip. So we have another, oh my god, I'm showing you my address, what the hell. We have this box. What is this? Oh guys, this is really fall related. Came with Prime, and look at this, y'all. This is so cute. This is a decorative pumpkin, by the way. Came so wrapped. I'm so sorry, but I ordered a mug, a coffee mug, and guys, look, what the hell is this small ass thing? What the hell is this small ass thing? Like, if I would drink, it would spill all over me. This is for decoration purpose, cause this ain't it, y'all. Oh, this I ordered. Guys, this is the best product for ingrown hairs. This, guys, I swear by this. Okay, you get this. I also opened this because I couldn't find the other package I ordered, so I had to quickly open it. This is also what I got. I got a pack of underwear on Amazon. I will not show you, but guys, if you want to order a few underwear in like a whole bunch, Amazon sells like 10 pairs, 20 pairs. You can change your whole underwear wardrobe. Also, I ordered this, but this one I already opened because it's a tripod. This is a very sturdy tripod, y'all. I saw this on a influencer I follow, and I wanted a sturdy tripod because I have the newer ring light from when I started till now. The newer ring light is a very good ring light, but my camera, I recently bought a new camera, and the camera is too bulky, too heavy for the tripod thingy, so it constantly falls, and I don't want my camera to fall on the ground, so I went ahead and bought a sturdy tripod. And this one, guys, is very sturdy. It's the, I don't know, okay, it's the G Kodo tripod, and the color is also very nice. It's orange and black, and it's very nice and very sturdy. If you have a very bulky camera with very heavy lenses, get the G Kodo tripod. I will link the stuff I got below so you don't get confused. If you want to go out and buy it, go out and buy it. Okay, let's hop over to this big one. There are not that many things in this box, so I don't know why they packaged this so big. Oh, it's actually meant to be open from the other side. It's just big stuff, not a lot of stuff. Oh my god, guys, I have, oh, y'all can see it. These I ordered a few. Oh my god, these are big. These are big. These are big. What the hell? This is one pillow, and I ordered 2 big pillows. They're so soft. They're so soft. They're so soft, y'all. Big. Oh, they're not. They're not, y'all. They fit perfect on the bed, like this. Do you see the fitting I'm going for, y'all? Like brown beige color, and then I put it like that. Oh my god, we're already in fall. There's 2 pillows here, so nothing much. That's what I said. There's nothing in this box. Nothing much in this box. Just 2 big pillows. Big pillows. Let's go to the package I already opened. By the way, these are clothes. I'm just going to show it to y'all quickly. I didn't order this, guys, but this is blouse number 1. I also ordered a bunch of shoes. This one is so cute. These are the ones I wore today, and I also got them in black. Also got the easy to wear tank top. What I got. This one. I also ordered these clips, these butterfly clips, and they're so precious. Why did I show you white? Let me show you brown. It's so pretty. Also this one, like this one is so short. It's a crop top, but this one is perfect. I can wear it to church. This one is also perfect. It's a skirt. I love this. Fits so cute. Guys, these are flare pants, but because I'm from the itty bitty community, this thing sits like my butt sits so flat in this. They are cute pants, but nothing's going to stop me to show out. When the Lord was okay. This one is for fall. This one is so cute. I like what the hell, I like the arms. This one, I had high hopes for this one. This exceeded my expectation. I love it. This one I love, guys. This one is the one I love with my whole heart. This one is so cute. This one doesn't sit very crop toppy though. No, not crop toppy. This one, guys, this one is also so cute. Also got a small bag because this one was speaking to me. I like the color. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with nude color right now, but maybe because it's fall, I don't know. But this bag spoke to me, so I bought it. This one, these 3 I got in a pack, and the material is so comfortable. I already wore it yesterday. This in brown, I got this in black. The material is very thick, and I got this in beige. It's not white, guys, it's beige. Got a pair of cute sandals. These ones are so cute. They look flimsy. They look very flimsy. I don't hope. Okay, but they're cute, and the color isn't white, so it's not white and black, it's beige. Guys, all my stuff is beige. I got a turtleneck. I got this white blouse. It's so cute. I am wearing the, I don't know what this color is, green, I don't know. I got these big loafers. I didn't expect them to be so big, like what the hell. But the loafers are in this fall season, so I'm going to make it work. Guys, these pants are the ish. They don't feel cheap at all, guys. They don't feel cheap at all. I'll place a photo, but out of all this stuff, I love the pants. I made a change into my wardrobe. I don't want to wear jeans as often. I now prefer to wear more pants than jeans, guys. When you wear pants, I feel like it instantly pops up your outfit. I don't know if it's me, but I will be wearing more pants. The only problem is I don't have a butt to jiggle in it. So my butt won't jiggle in the pants, so we won't worry about that. I also got this beautiful skirt. This skirt is so pretty. I didn't think it would come this vibrant, but the skirt is pretty. Also got the gemstone sandal. It looks cheap. It really looks cheap, guys, but we're not going to wear it as often. Yes, that's all that I got. I had a delay in one of the codes, so that will be coming. What else do I have coming in? Yes, that's it for the fall decoration haul, y'all. But stay tuned for the decoration video, okay? Stay tuned, because what I have planned, I'm going to transform this whole room. Okay, y'all know I go crazy around Christmas. I'm also going crazy around fall. Not as crazy as Christmas, but I'm going crazy, and I already did the damage. So guys, that was it for my second part of my unboxing video. Did you guys enjoy this video? I hope you guys did. I hope you guys did as much as I did, picking them up and unboxing them with you guys. I am so excited if I do get another big package order, or if I have a lot of package coming in, I will do a unboxing video on camera with you guys. So let me know if you would like that. But yeah, that's all that I got for this haul. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.